Max Sawyer. It's Big Chunky Mark Boswell. You know, your old nemesis. We used to trade knuckle sandwiches. And you know I know a lot about sandwiches. Now I'm gonna rant on for 3.5 boring minutes. That ain't cool. Oh, Boswell. You've never been my nemesis. You've never even been close to my level. And although it warms my heart to hear that the Sons of the New South and what we're doing has made it all the way up to that podunk town you're living in, that doesn't give you the right to stick your nose in our business. I'm going to give you one warning, you fake imposter of a country boy. Keep your nose out of our business. Shut your mouth.